Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy in Kraken Pro. First, ensure you are logged into your Kraken Pro account. If you're new, setting up an account is straightforward. Next, confirm your account has sufficient funds, either fiat currency like US dollars or a cryptocurrency. Finally, head over to the trading interface. This is where all the action happens, allowing you to access various trading pairs and order types. We'll walk through each step clearly. Once on the trading interface, your next step is to select the specific cryptocurrency pair you want to trade. For instance, you might choose Bitcoin versus US dollars. Then, decide on your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price. A stop limit order adds more control. After selecting, input the amount you wish to purchase, and carefully review all the transaction details before confirming. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Quick recommendation: if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that simplifies investing, which can be super helpful when navigating platforms like Kraken Pro. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. After entering your desired amount, it's crucial to confirm all the order details. Double-check the price, the total amount, and any associated fees to avoid surprises. Once you are satisfied, proceed by clicking the Buy button to execute your trade. For limit or stop limit orders, you can monitor their status in the Open Orders section. Finally, check your portfolio balance to see your newly acquired cryptocurrency. Congratulations on your purchase.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.